After I painted these bathroom walls, the old wall texture started cracking and peeling. Can't see any primer there, so I don't know if the walls were chalky or what happened there. But after I painted it, all that moisture on the wall just started these areas to crack and curl up. And this bathroom gets a lot of humidity too. So a couple days after I painted it, it was looking pretty bad. So I scraped off whatever was going to come off, sealed those areas with guards by Zinsser, about 3 applications of joint compound, textured those spots, primed them, and then painted the bathroom. So it's all solid now and looking great.